Hello everyone, Todd Lambert here, Regional Trainer for Emergency Reporting. Today's 10-minute tutorial is all about how scheduling a follow-up inspection works differently in the system versus the InspectER app. Our goal is to help you and your department get started off on the right foot with the nation's best records management system for fire and EMS agencies. We will cover how to schedule a required inspection in the system and what that looks like, and then we will demonstrate it in the InspectER app and show you the differences. First, we will start in the occupancy module. We then want to click on the settings button on the navigation bar. Next, we need to click on the inspection results link to make sure that follow-up inspections are set to required for our specific inspection result. For this example, I'm going to select pending as the result requiring a follow-up inspection. I'll then check the box next to Allow and Require Reinspection for this result type and click the diskette icon to save this setting. We will then go back to the occupancy grid to open one of our facilities and do a quick inspection so that we can get to the end of the inspection and show you where and how you will see a follow-up inspection that has been required. You'll notice that now that we've selected our inspection result that required a follow-up inspection and completed the inspection, that a hyperlink that reads Do Follow-Up Inspection is now attached to the results of the inspection we just did. If we click on this link, it will ask us if we want to start a new inspection, and we can complete our re-inspection. When clicking this link, you will notice that it starts the new inspection with the same inspection type and the same inspection form that was used for the previous inspection. You will also notice that it brings all the previous inspection results into the inspection form. This allows you to re-inspect the item or items that were marked needing follow-up without having to re-complete the entire inspection. You can then mark the item or items as having been corrected like I did here with the exits being cleared on re-inspection, or however you want to document the issue as being fixed. Then you can complete the re-inspection process and complete your inspection to show it as passed. This should be pretty straightforward and helps automate the re-inspection process, making follow-up inspections a breeze. So now let's look at the InspectER app. I've selected a different facility to do an inspection on. I'm going to do my quick inspection here, just like I did for the facility in the system. I'll mark the same issue with the exits being blocked. When using the InspectER app, it works the exact same way for the inspection as a system except for how it behaves for the inspection result that requires a follow-up inspection. I'm going to skip through completing the inspection in the app so you're not having to watch the whole process. I'm sure you get the idea. It can take a little time depending on the device you are using and how much data you need to sync up. If we look back at the system for this facility and have done a sync and a refresh, you will notice instead of showing the Do Follow-Up Inspection link like it does when doing the inspection for the system, it shows the inspection I just did as completed and automatically shows an inspection with the type of follow-up inspection you choose, in this example re-inspection, as being scheduled. When you start the re-inspection, it behaves the same way by having the form and type of inspection already selected, as well as having all the previous findings annotated. Again, all you have to do now is re-inspect the item or items, just like we did in the system. If you go back into the system to see these results, you will now see 2 inspections versus just the one when we did our follow-up inspection in the system. This can be a little confusing or a pain point for some. That's why we wanted to make this tutorial to show the differences. Okay, quick recap. If you're documenting an inspection in the system and you have an inspection result that requires a follow-up inspection, then you will see a hyperlink that allows you to do a follow-up inspection right from the results of the prior inspection. The InspectER app, however, behaves slightly different in that when you have to do a follow-up, the app doesn't create a hyperlink, it will automatically create a new inspection that is there waiting to be completed. These screen captures show you in a side-by-side view the differences. The top is how a required follow-up inspection is created in the system. The middle here is the required follow-up inspection already started in the app. and the bottom is the results of the app inspection synced with the system. That's it, and I hope that this has cleared things up for you and your department. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, everybody, and stay safe out there.